Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this JCB over here. So let's continue it. So let's take some references again over here. So we do have some of the references. So let's first see what things are pending over here. So first we'll do that part over here. Now let's take a circle over here. Scale this. Slightly. And let's give an extrude modifier. Let's convert to editable poly. Select this polygons. Slightly give a bit of inset. So now what I can do over here is like I'll just slightly inset it a bit over here. And I'll slightly push it out if required. Right click, cut over here. Select this, push it in this way. So select this again, the polygons, slightly bevel it, not much but a bit. So we can bevel this part over here. Select this edges, slightly just chamfer this, click OK. So select this polygons, slightly insert it, and let's bridge this over here. So over here now, shuffle this down, shuffle this up. So we have just created a handle over here for this. So select this part. Okay. That's totally okay over here. Let's again go over here. Let's take a line tool. I'll off this auto grid. So I'll again go into this, enable in viewport and slightly increase its thickness over here. Push it up, select the vertices, slightly give a bit of fillet, convert to editable poly, so select the vertices, So slightly rotate it. So select the polygons and just delete this part. So I'll slightly rotate this over here, and if you want, we can do the boolean stuff over here. But what I'll do, I'll just do one thing to show over here is like, I'll again go into this and let's take a swift loop, select the polygons, extrude it by local normal. Okay, we'll keep it in this way and slightly shuffle this down. So there are many other details we need to work over here before we move towards the interior part totally. So again, I'll take a auto grid. I'll slightly just push this up over here. Increase the height, slightly reduce the height segments, convert to poly, select these edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. Select the polygons, insert it, extrude a bit and click OK. So the same way, select this, chamfer it, click OK, select the polygons, insert this and let's bevel it. So let's just scale this. Alright. So save your file. Now for the lights, we can just go over here. Let's take a box. So just make this as straight first, convert to poly. Let's put one swift loop a bit, select the polygons, slightly bevel it, insert a bit, so select this vertices, go over here, select auto grid, activate this. Let's take a cylinder. So push this a bit inside. So convert to editable poly. Let's again take a bit of swift loop. Select the polygons, slightly extrude it by local normal. Slightly bevel it and let's click it. So we can just put this over here, slide, rotate it, push this a bit down over here. I'll just put one loop over here. I'll put one select the polygons. Alright, so let's just adjust this, shift and drag and duplicate it. Alright. We do have a handlebar also, so we need to create a handlebar over here. So let's just activate this. Alright, so let's reduce the thickness of it. Select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet. So let's just drag it slightly, just push this down and rotate it. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.